Electrostatic potential energy of a system of n point charges. Electrostatic potential energy of a system of n point charges is total amount of work done in bringing all the charges at their respective positions from infinitely large mutual separations. In bringing the first charge Q1 to a position P1 with position vector R1, no work is done because all other charges are still at infinity and there is no field, therefore no work is done in bringing the charge from infinity to that point, therefore work done is 0. Work done in bringing charge Q1 from infinity to point P1 R1 is 0 because as there is no field. When we bring charge Q2 from infinity to point P2 with position vector R2 at a distance R12 from Q1, work done is potential due to charge Q1 into Q2. Potential due to charge Q1 at point P2 is Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R12 into Q2. Therefore, W2 is equal to Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R1. In bringing charge Q3 from infinity to point P3 with position vector R3, work has to be done. Work has to be done against electric forces of charge Q1 and Q2. Therefore, work done is W3. This is work done is potential due to Q1 and Q2 into charge Q3. Potential due to Q1 is Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R13. R13 is distance of Q1 from point P3. And potential due to Q2 is Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R23. R23 is distance of charge Q2 from P3 into Q3. This will become Q1 Q3 4 pi epsilon naught R13 plus Q2 Q3 4 pi epsilon naught R23. Similarly, in bringing charge Q4 from infinity to point P4 whose position vector is R4, then work done in bringing charge Q4 from infinity to point P4 with position vector R4 vector, work done is against electric forces of Q1, Q2 and Q3. This work done will be potential due to Q1, Q2, Q3 into charge Q4. This will be Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R14. R14 is the distance of Q1 from point P4. Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R24. R24 is the distance of Q2 from point P4. And Q3 4 pi epsilon naught R34. R34 is the distance of charge Q3 from point P4 or distance of point P4 from the charge Q3 into potential due to Q1, Q2, Q3 into charge is Q4. Therefore, W4 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. We may write it as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught बाहर आ जाएगा. Q1 Q4 upon R14, Q2 Q4 upon R24 plus Q3 Q4 upon R34. Now electrostatic potential energy of system of 4 charges. Therefore, electrostatic potential energy of system of 4 charges. This is U is equal to total work done, which is work done in bringing q1 from infinity to p1, work done in bringing q2 from infinity to p2, work done in bringing infinity to p3, and work done in bringing charge q from infinity to p4. Now w1 is 0, value of w2 is q1 q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r12. w2 is this, w3 is q1 q3 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r13 plus q2 q3 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r23 plus w4 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q4 r14 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q2 q4 upon r24 plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q3 q4 upon r34, and we may also write it as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, सभी में कॉमन है, सभी में तो ये आ जाएगा q1 q2 अपॉन r12 प्लस q1 q3 अपॉन r13 प्लस q1 q4 अपॉन r14 प्लस q2 q3 अपॉन r23 प्लस q2 q4 अपॉन r24 प्लस q3 q4 upon r34, bracket close. This is the potential energy of system of 4 charges. Therefore, proceeding in similar manner, electrostatic potential energy of system of n charges at positions r1 vector, r2 vector, rn vector. This will be u is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation qj qk upon rjk.